This is the Corolla Apex Edition. It's an exciting new option with the most aggressive driving dynamics I've ever felt on a Corolla, and easily the most aggressive looks as well. Designed, engineered, and assembled in the US, this is the result of Toyota's American team realizing the potential of the 12th generation Corolla platform and pushing it to the next level. Let's take a look around. So when it comes to the lineup, Apex takes either of Corolla's already sporty models to another level. Whether it's an SE like that one with its sinister all-black appearance, or an XSE like this one here in Apex exclusive cement gray color. Whichever color and grade you go with though, Apex is guaranteed to turn heads with all of these performance accents, making it look like it just drove straight off the track. I just love all these details. Check out the front end here. Just look how aggressive this lower spoiler is. Really makes the standard LED lighting jump out even more. This black and bronze color scheme goes all the way around. Check out these side moldings and rocker panels. And then coming around back, we've got this awesome looking rear diffuser and exhaust system down below. And up top, either a standard lift spoiler or this raised aero wing for even more flash and added high-speed stability. All of these details can only be had on the Apex models, and people are going to notice. Trust me. Let's take a look inside. The bronze color can be seen in here too. Look at all this accent stitching. It's on the doors, the seats, the console lid, the steering wheel and shift boot, and even the instrument panel itself. So what's the message behind all these details? Well, let me just say, this thing is a blast. These looks aren't just for show. I'm grinning from ear to ear the entire time I'm behind the wheel. That's because this Apex treatment also means adding an exclusive suspension system that delivers better cornering precision, improved stability, and more confident body control, thanks to an increase in spring rate, solid stabilizer bars, and a 15mm drop in overall ride height. And since it's based on the SE and XSE grades, that means this suspension upgrade works in harmony with the awesome new Dynamic Force 2-liter engine, which can be paired with Corolla's clever Direct Shift CVT with standard paddle shifters, or even an intelligent 6-speed manual transmission for those looking for complete control. Either way, driving excitement is further enhanced through the exhaust system we saw earlier, which uses a conical design and tuned muffler to deliver a pulse-quickening tone every time you push the pedal. And the power behind that bold sound makes it to the ground through these 18-inch wheels. These showstoppers aren't just here for looks. Their lightweight flow-form construction definitely isn't something you see every day. And it actually plays a big role in Corolla Apex's quick-on-its-feet attitude. And yes, they can be wrapped in available summer tires for maximum grip. Now, you guys already know the Corolla line is packed to the brim with awesome features, and that's still the case with the Apex models. None of this style or performance comes at the cost of tech or safety, which I think really sums up the Toyota mentality. So it's still got standard smart key system functionality, and this touchscreen audio multimedia system includes support for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Amazon Alexa, and Sirius XM, regardless of grade. It also includes trials to Toyota's connected services, which can include some pretty cool features, like using the Toyota app for remote vehicle functionality. Blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert is also available standard on XSE. And when it comes to safety, Corolla Apex features the same world-class Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 suite seen on the rest of the lineup. These standard active safety systems use this front-facing camera up here and this millimeter wave radar here to offer amazing functionality like automatic pre-collision braking and vehicle-to-vehicle distance-based cruise control. So that's a quick look at the new Apex performance models, combined with Corolla's incredible reputation for quality and dependability. killer fuel economy estimates, and ownership perks like the Toyota Care maintenance plan. There's never been a smarter way to shoot for the apex of the curve between style and performance. Check out toyota.com/Corolla for more.